Welcome back, Flare community. Yes, today I am coming with just a very quick video to do this giveaway, and it was originally a 10,000 songbird giveaway if we actually reached 100,000 followers on Twitter. Now, we didn't actually achieve this, and if I go back here, I did make an alteration to the rule, and basically it was going to be one songbird for every follower that we got above 100,000 followers. So the deal is we have a prize pool here of 5,700, being on 95,700 followers, and it's going to go to 10 lucky people. Now the thing is, I don't want this to go to bots because I have seen many bots actually retweeting this particular tweet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this video. We're going to draw it live right here. And the people who win contact me on Twitter because I really want the people who win, I want them to be part of the community in the sense that they watch the videos and they're actually engaging with the Flare community. So what we'll do is we'll do a quick draw. And for those of you who do not claim this, who are not watching the videos, then it's going to actually roll over to a giveaway for channel members. So it's a win-win. With that being said, let's jump in. I'm going to copy the URL here. I'm going to pop it in here. We've got 10 winners here, and you must follow the Flare community. Very simple. Yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight in. Good luck to everyone. Lots of entries. How many do we have? 3,091 entries. So good luck again. Let's get this show on the road. 10 people. Let's go. Begin draw. And you may see some of these may have some rejected things here with descriptions and errors. And again, this is just a way for me to prevent bots from dominating the competition. So yeah, these are the winners. Congratulations to you guys. I'm going to actually copy these tags and paste them in the description of this video. And trust me, if you try to outwit me by changing a L to a capital I or something similar like that, I'm very aware of these different techniques that you can use. And if I catch anyone trying to do this, it's going to be an automatic block. So with that being said, congratulations to the winners. And again, any unclaimed songbird is actually going to roll over to the YouTube channel member giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. Absolutely incredible here, sitting on 95.7 thousand. It's absolutely unbelievable. So thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick one, like I said. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.